Hi, this is Siri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to prepare very tasty carrot halwa. Carrot halwa takes maximum time to cook, but it tastes so yummy. To make carrot halwa, we need finely grated carrot. Here I am taking 500 grams of carrot, 100 grams of sugar, 3 spoons of ghee, 10 grams of almonds, 10 grams of cashew nuts, 1 glass of milk, nearly 250 ml. You can also use cardamom powder if you like. And before starting the cooking, do subscribe to my channel. Here I am adding 3 spoons of ghee to the pan. And make sure you are using a non-stick pan or a heavy bottom large pan, as it helps to prevent the halwa from sticking to the bottom and burning. Now I am going to fry chopped nuts until they become golden in color. Set aside. Into the same pan, I am adding grated carrot, salt it well, cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Keep mixing it to prevent burning at the bottom. Increase the flame to high and cook the carrot for 8 to 10 minutes. Keep mixing it. You can see the quantity is reduced to half. Now reduce the flame to medium and add milk. Mix it properly. Now cover the pan and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. But remember to keep stirring in between, otherwise it will stick to the bottom and burn. Open the lid and stir it now. Add sugar and mix it. Cover the pan and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Keep stirring in between. Finally add the nuts. Mix it well for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the flame. Our tasty and yummy gajar halwa is ready to serve. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe to my channel and like if you like this recipe. Stay tuned for more recipes.